Welcome back to our last guided reading video of the week. Are you super excited? Because I am. Silent celebration. So before we get started, let's make sure we have a few things in place. The first thing we're going to need to do is take out our worksheets that we're going to need for this lesson. The first worksheet says complete the sentence. You'll see some sentences at the top, some pictures at the bottom. The next worksheet says word find. You'll see some pictures on the side and our words on the other side. You're going to want to take out your book, Fall Fun. You're going to need 2 pencils. And most importantly, you want to make sure you're in a quiet and calm space so you can focus and grow your brain. If you're ready, we can go to the next slide. If not, you can go ahead and pause the video right here to get yourself together. So what are we going to do in this video? We're going to go over those sight words that we talked about. We're going to do the second part of our word family lesson, and we're going to read our book, Fall Fun. Jumping right into our sight word review. The first word is food, wrote, love, sky, much, both, fun, see, door, again. If you notice, I did it a little faster because today is the last day we'll talk about these words, so we should know them by now. So let's see if we can go through it one more time a little bit faster. Starting from the top. Food, wrote, love, sky, much, both, fun, see, door, again. Now you can pause the video right here so you can try it on your own. See if you can get them all right and see if you can go super fast, super crispy. Pause the video right here to give it a try. We're going to bring it back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. How many did you get? All of them? Awesome job. 2 thumbs up. Jumping into our word family review. We did this yesterday, so today we're just going to review it. So yesterday we said AR makes a special sound, and a special person makes it sound. What sound is it? That's right. It makes a R sound. So if I put a J in front of R, what word is that? That's right. It's the word jar. What if I put a ST in front of the word R? What word is that? Right again, star. What about if I put a CH in front of it? That's right again, it's char. So we have words like jar, we have words like far, words like car, bar, tar, char, scar, and star. I know I didn't even have to tell you that because you already knew these words. This is easy peasy to you. So now we're going to move on to our next thing because I know you guys are ready for our independent practice time. So we're going to jump right into those 2 worksheets. You can go ahead and take them out along with your 2 pencils. I'll give you 5 seconds to do so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So, jumping right into our worksheet, we're going to first put our names at the top, our first and our last name on both worksheets, and then we can get started. So this first worksheet says complete the sentence. You'll see some sentences at the top and some pictures at the bottom. You're going to read the sentence and you're going to think about which word goes in that spot. So Ms. Oliver is going to do the first one. My dad drives a blue, My dad drives a blue jar. No, that doesn't sound right. My dad drives a new star. That doesn't sound right. My dad drives a new far. That doesn't sound right. My dad drives a blue car. That definitely sounds right because this car is blue and that word fits perfectly in that sentence. So I'm going to write the word C-A-R, car, and then I'll go to the next sentence. Awesome job. The next page says word find. You're going to look at these pictures and you're going to try to find the word in the group. So I know this picture was for the word far. So I'm going to look for the word far. R. Here it is. Let's see if it's in here any more times. Far. Nope. Far. Here it is again. Circle that one. Far. Nope. Far. Nope. Far. Nope. Far. Here it is again. And far. Nope. So I saw the word far 3 times. You have to make sure you look at every word. You have about 8 minutes to work on this worksheet, and once you're finished, you can bring it back. So go ahead and pause your video right here. We're bringing it back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, since you had a chance to complete your worksheet, you can push that to the side along with your pencil, and you can go ahead and take out your book, Fall Fun. While you're getting your book out, Miss Oliver is going to do the same. Let's see if we can do it in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fall Fun. So yesterday we had a chance to predict what the story is going to be about. We had a chance to go over the words to know, and you even had a chance to read the book on your own. Now we're going to read it together, and we're going to answer some questions at the end of the book to see how much we remember. So since you already read this book, Miss Oliver is going to let you lead and I'll follow. So you're the teacher and I'm the student. That means you're going to read first and I'm going to read after you. So let's go ahead and get ready to read. Let's get our pointing fingers ready because we know when we read, we point to every word. Let's sit up nice and tall. And let's go ahead and get started by reading the title, Your Turn. My turn. Fall Fun. Your turn. My turn. My friends and I love fall. We find many fun things to do. Notice how I'm pointing to every word when I read. Your turn. My turn. My friends and I rake leaves. Your turn. My turn. Then we jump in. Your turn. My turn. My friends and I pick apples. Your turn. My turn. Then we bake a pie. Your turn. My turn. My friends and I carve pumpkins. Your turn. My turn. Then we eat roasted seeds. Your turn. My turn. We all have fun in the fall. The end. That was an amazing story. Probably the best one we've read so far. So now we're going to read some questions. We're going to answer some questions about what we just read. So starting with our first question, it says, what is this story mostly about? What is this story, Fall Fun, mostly about? Let's take 15 silent seconds to think about it. What is this story mostly about? What's the story about? That was an excellent answer. This story is about things that are fun to do in fall. So fall things to do, like fun things to do in the fall. Ooh, Miss Oliver got tongue tied. So this story is mostly about fun things to do in the fall time. Awesome job. Next question said, how do the boys feel about the fall activities? How do the boys feel about the fall activities? Let's take some time to think about it. How do they feel about the fall activities? If you have to go back and look in the book, that's okay. How do the boys feel about the fall activities? They feel happy? Okay. And how do you know that they feel happy? What in the story lets you know that? That's right. We know they're happy because in the story, they're always smiling. They look super happy if you ask me. So they definitely feel happy about fall activities. What is your favorite thing the boys do in the fall? What's your favorite thing the boys do in the fall? So take a chance to look back in the story to look at what your favorite thing the boys did in the fall. Okay, that's a good one. Miss Oliver's favorite thing the boys did in the fall was when they raked the leaves and then they jumped in it. That sounds super cool. Next question says, what did the boys do after they picked apples? What did the boys do after they picked apples? Look back in the story if you need some help. What did the boys do after they picked apples? That's right. After they picked the apples, they baked a pie. And what type of pie do we think they baked? That's right, an apple pie. Sounds super good right now. The last question says, listen to this sentence from the story. Fall is the time to, hold one second. So this question says, fall is a time to carve pumpkins. What does the word carve mean? Fall is the time to carve pumpkins. What does the word carve mean? Let me think. What does the word carve mean? That's right. Carve means to cut. If we look back in the book and we look at this picture, look at page number 8, we see that they're carving the pumpkins. They're cutting the pumpkins. Awesome job. You did an amazing job. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Pat on the back, and kiss our brains. So this was our last video for the week. I hope you learned so much and grew your brain, and I hope you had a great time. I'll see you next time. Bye.